Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to prepare nice healthy breakfast with egg poach and toasted butter and bread. So come on. If you like my channel, please share, comment, subscribe. Put some ginger chopped up finely, some garlic chopped up finely. Put in the egg. Put some cut up onions and chilies, green chilies. Put some tomatoes, cut up finely. Salt to taste. Put some red chili powder. Now I will toast the bread. Put some oil. Toasted bread and butter and egg poach healthy breakfast is ready.